I won't try to kill anyone that tries to heal him. Juno, watch my right.
Copy.
Juno, watch my right.
Copy.
Juno, watch my right. Are you watching?
Oh, damn.
Juno, are you watching my right, bro? Okay, thank you.
Huh?
You're healed.
Dope. Oh shit. Someone's trying to hit me. Yeah.
I kind of want to push that way, but
we'd probably get gunned.
Yeah, exactly.
Pretty quick.
I don't want to move manpower away from the actual defense.
Yeah, yeah.
These dunes is no joke some of the best places to be on this road, especially when attacking Lucy.
Then how am I not using it right?
All right, question how? Push to the left! Left to right, or right to left, excuse me. Hey, someone's healing Ted, someone's healing Ted.
He's dead, he's dead.
Hey, someone is healing Ted.
He's dead.
The guy healing Ted?
Yep, got him.
Okay, thank you. Oh, Juno's already at fucking, holy crap.
Man is moving.
Dude, he moving with his legs and body and torso. Crap, he existing over there was it? Sorry. I'm just excited right now. All right. I have to kill them with my gun now.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
But I'm a pacifist.
Don't look like it. All right, I don't have a good view on that building because there's too many trees in the way for me.
Yeah.
That, and I'll watch the left side where they're starting to sprint.
Me watch the building, me watch the doorway?
Yeah, you watch that doorway
Gotcha.
on the right side of that building. I'll watch this tire right here, and Gina's got the right for us.
Roger. Dude, this is, see, it's just if I move far enough left to be able to hit him, then I'm out of cover.
You see him poking out of that building up there?
Where, Bubba or Lucy?
Lucy. All of this fire is coming from Lucy, but he's out of range.
Yeah.
I promise you they're not coming from,
this
fire's coming from Bubba. He's too far out of range.
Trying to keep his head down.
Make sure he doesn't do the opposite to you.
Yeah.
If you fire, he will return fire when you're done shooting.
Yep.
Left to right, they're going from 69 for a left flank.
Changing.
Please don't say that loud enough.
Fuck. Fucking magazine fell out.
I'm trying to get some good bearings on him.
Yeah. Saw those.
Well to Frito, do you copy?
Side near
Yeah.
the pines.
Solid copy.
Hey, look at Pine Fork. Shee! I hate this. Alright, he's not poking out of that building anymore.
Yeah, Ted's trying to fucking snipe us though. Yeah.
Yeah, just outwit him.
I just want to let him know that I see him.
Well, thank you for sending that message for me.
Yeah. Psychological warfare. Except
Is that the end of it?
actual warfare, because I'm shooting at him.
The psychology is that they'll die mentally.
Exactly.
Wow, half of my beacons just went into the cover in front of me. That was neat.
Brilliant.
Huh?
You have a fucking wife?
No.
Yeah, I was about to say, goddamn it. Wouldn't have guessed.
I don't see a dead rag. I don't see a dead rag, mate.
Well, that guy's dead. He's just fucking walking up through the woods. Stupid.
Through high grass,
Yeah.
so.
I think there's one left in there though.
All right.
Oh shit, yeah, he's peeking. Chap's peeking.
No, let him play his game.
Yep.
I'm out.
Okay.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I have to remind everyone every time they heal me. Okay, I can't speak. Go.
Double kill.
Left side.
Where? Hold
They're
on,
dead.
I gotta change mags. All right, rifles up. All right, hey, move out left side.
Let me grab my pistol, cover me.
No, just go. What the freak pistol? I got my pistol. All right, just go ahead.
It's not camping, it's defending.
Camper! What are you gonna yell that at the Saudis? Camper! You're gonna go to Iraq and yell at the Saudi people?
Double kill.
Bad guys moving through baby pines to playground over.
Are they in playground already?
No,
Okay.
June is in playground. We're exposed though.
I know.
We can make a move.
I think Becca and I are gonna move into baby pines and try and cut off their respawn over. Yeah. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Straight into those woods, like as fast as you can. All right, go.
Where are they?
At my 12, behind the red truck. Brooks is dead.
Oh, he is?
Yeah,
What about the guy behind him?
not dead. Move up. Changing. Keep Tucker's head down.
Where's Tucker?
He's popping up over the red truck.
Like that?
Bomb disarmed. Game over.
Oh shit.